feel like it's rare that we get these opportunities to talk about this kind of stuff. And I was thinking about, what is my goal in this webinar? And it was this idea of like cat and mouse, and how do I outsmart the AI? And my brain was like, no, take it back. Let's think instead about what in your discipline is too important to lose. What are the key things that we really want to hang on to? What if we take this moment to refocus on the stuff that really matters?
Well, I think about it as like human intuition, like being able to interpret data, even if it's like as simple as like signal to noise type thing, to know what's real or what's inconclusive. To also be able to do the things, like I tell you, I teach a hands-on lab. So the skills of actually being able to pipette and being able to repeat the experiment and get reliable results and do that safely and, ethically as well. You can ask AI to design an experiment, but they're not going to think about the stakeholders and like the ethics involved. Also, the interdisciplinary part about it, like making connections. I know I teach biology, but we talk about social economic status this semester quite a bit. And so like inclusivity and access and equity and, just being a person. So I think a lot of that in science is not something AI really could do. So it's something that I refuse to lose. So my hands-on class, what I'm trying to teach them to do in my context of antibiotic resistance and antibiotic discovery, upper division biology class, I'm trying to teach them to think as scientists and to get comfortable with the uncomfortable. So they do work in groups, but they discover or rediscover some novel concepts. So they're making these connections from their own personal experiences, from their classes they've taken. People talking about, in this class we talked about X, and in this class we talked about that. So there's a lot of these capstone type moments that are happening, and they're working together, and there's no exams. So it instead is we're doing science, and that's what they're being assessed on. Repetition, trying to figure out what the limitations of the studies are. Are there experimental designs appropriate? And I model it in the first part of the class. Then they work in a group to design their own little mini project, and they present that as a class.